Welcome to another great race provided by Lakeport Hobbies Raceway, the two-wheel drive stadium truck.
Well, in front of their top qualifiers, Parody. Well, I think on the lid, this is right there we go. Good quick spot. Going to the carousel, bouncing around a bit. Here comes our leader now, down the main straightaway, around the clubhouse turn. Scott Parody. And in second, going to be Mike Hamner, a little bit sitting there. With Greg Newman and Arthur Knight. Second and third, that's going to be Greg Newman and Mike Hamner.
8 minutes left.
The battle develops here. Then here comes our fourth, fifth, and sixth. It's going to be Casey Blocker, Wes Marshall, and Arthur Knight. Wes moves from 10th to 5th in 3 laps.
Way to go, Wes. What's up, Wes?
Here around the clubhouse turn again. Now to see Patrick from Florida. We got going nicely. Bit of nice horsemanship there. So we still have Scott Parody in first. Greg Newman in second. Mike Hammer in third. Wes Marshall now moving up to fourth. He's slowly picking his way through the pack here. So at 5 laps, we have Scott Parody in first. Greg Newman second. Mike Hammer third. Wes Marshall fourth. Arthur Knight fifth. Casey Blocker sixth. Gary Lonello 7th, Tom London 8th, Dan Markham 9th, and Elliot Parody 10th.
7 minutes left.
Again, here comes our leader down around the clubhouse turn. Everybody is 6th lap right behind him. There he is, there he is. There's Mike Hammer now. And third is Greg Newman, right only 0.07 of a second behind him. Wes Marshall now up to 4th. He started in 10th. There comes our leader. Well, that's 7. We'll be right in front of the clubhouse there. There we go. Turn around the clubhouse turn. Everybody is 8th lap. And
6 minutes left.
there comes Mike Hammer still in second. Greg in third. And Wes holding strong in fourth. There comes around the turn again. Everybody is 9th lap. They're currently being chased by another one bites it up. So we still have Mike Hamner and Greg Newman battling it out for second and third. Let's see how their race develops here. Scott's trying to pull away in fourth, and they pull away ahead, and Wes is in fourth. Back of him. Let's see how they go here. Here comes the wheel. Around it. Let's see who got the best of that.
Good job, Mike. Good job, Mike.
Well, still Mike Hamner
5
in
minutes
second.
left.
Greg Newman in third, and Wes Marshall right behind him. They're battling out. Let's see how that develops. Who's best maybe in the third? Oh! They're on the bit. Quick move. 2 of them right there. Get sorted out. There we go. Wes is still in fourth. Traction is moving to third. There's the leader now around the clubhouse turn. Everybody is 12th lap. He's currently running on 24 lap pace at 9:02. A bit of a shortcut there.
I wasn't a shortcut, it was a rebound.
Well, that's second, with Greg Newman in third and Mike Handler in fourth.
4 minutes left.
Wes was our winner in the B main, who was promoted to the A main and now is in second place from 10th.
Good job, Wes. Thanks.
He's now 20 seconds behind the leader. Leader's almost ready to pass it. There's our first place going around the kicker and headed for the carousel. Right in front of him is second place. Whoa, we got a little problem there. Got him rolling in. Now hung up on the pipes. Wes is still running in second spot, 22 seconds back. Here comes the leader around the clubhouse turn. Completing his 15th lap. He's still running on the 24-lap pace at 9:16.
Go get him, Mike.
Well, Wes is holding in
2
second.
minutes left.
Greg Newman in third, Mike Handler in fourth, Gary Onetto fifth, Arthur Knight sixth, Dan Markham seventh, Tyler Duncan eighth, Elliot Parody ninth, Casey Blocker 10th. Around the turn, over the kicker, there we go, leader goes. Now headed for the carousel. Around and around and around it goes. Ooh. In the second place now. 22 seconds back. Like I say, Wes is maintaining second and not let our leader Scott Parody pass him to put the whole field knocked down. Second and there comes our first, right behind him. Now, almost a full lap separates our first and second. Greg Newman in third and Arthur Knight in fourth. And Gary's been holding pretty strong in fifth. So our latest tonight, 1980.
Yeah, right.
He's 19th lap. He's now passing the entire field. And he's running on a 24-lap pace at 9:22. He did that last lap in 24:7. Kicker there. So we still have Greg Newman in third and Arthur Knight in fourth. Our second place bottom. 1 minute left. For 1 minute left, we have Scott Parody first. Wes Marshall second, Greg Newman third, Arthur Knight fourth. Gary Onetto now moved into fourth. Arthur's brought back to fifth, Mike Handler sixth, Dan Markham seventh, Tyler Duncan eighth, Elliot Parody ninth, down, Casey Blocker 10th. As the race progresses, attrition starts to take effect with cars, right? Still Scott out in front. Wes Marshall still holding second, but a lap back. Greg Newman is still holding third, and Gary Onetto in fourth. So the battle now is between fourth and fifth.
Car 7 is done. Car
Gary,
1
you're
is done.
done. Scott, you're done.
Sorry. Scott's broken.
Car 11 is
Mike's
done.
broken.
Car 1 is done. Car 5 is
All
done.
right, we have Scott, you're done. Wes, you're done. Greg, you're done. Gary, you're done. Arthur, you're done. All racers are done. So we have Scott Parody in first with 23 laps and 9:04. Wes Marshall second with 22 laps.
This concludes our two-wheel drive stadium truck race provided by Lakeport Hobbies Raceway. For more information, feel free to call 707-263-1500.